historical day for the country and for Oklahoma and individual citizens across the country. When you look at the court's opinion, they really address three separate powers under the Constitution: Commerce Clause power, taxing power, and spending power. And the Chief Justice, joined by a majority of the court, said that there was curtailment on both the Commerce Clause power and the spending power. Under the Commerce Clause, the court clearly said that the individual mandate is unconstitutional under that authority of the Constitution. And on spending power, it said that the federal government can't coerce the states to participate in Medicaid. So to that end, it's a very positive decision. Unfortunately, the court upheld the act in its entirety based upon taxing power. And the consequences of that, I think we'll have to look at in the opinion, because the choice that now exists to the states to participate in the Medicaid program, we'll have to evaluate the opinion to see what the next steps are, if any, at the state level.
And healthcare exchanges, sir?
It's unclear. I mean, I think the opinion will have to be analyzed to determine what obligations the states have and what options the states have. Justice Kennedy, in his dissent, said something very, very astute. He said that the court took extraordinary steps to try to save a statute that Congress did not write. And I think the court did do that. But at the same time sent very clear messages that there are limits to the Commerce Clause power of Congress and there are limits to the spending power of Congress. I think the other thing that's really important is unwittingly the President of the United States has enacted a tax on every American in this country. When this act was passed, the majority in both the Senate and the House and the administration took great pains to make sure that they didn't call it a tax, because he had promises that he had made that he would not increase taxes on Americans making less than $200,000. That, unfortunately, when the court upheld this act under taxing power, the President now has unwittingly passed a tax on all Americans in this country to undergird the Health Care Act.